Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA reached the target support area here for this C wave of wave 2. I'm counting the decline currently as a ABC correction in possibly a wave 2. What I cannot rule out is that this is also a wave 4, but in the end it doesn't really matter too much, at least not at the moment. Problem is that wave 4s oftentimes create flat patterns, and this was an extremely messy range in which we are or were here. But overall, you know, I can count 5 waves up complete. So at the moment, I do assume that this here was a 5-wave move to the upside complete, and that we are heading down here in a wave 2 now. And I know a lot of people waited for this wave 2. Here you have it. Yeah, here you have it. And I currently don't think it's finished yet, the wave 2, but I think that next week we're going to head into a really important decision point, or that we'll have a decision point next week. Reason for that is we've got CPI data, and also we are now coming back into various support ranges, Bitcoin as well, Ethereum as well. So we will have a decision point if these support areas hold or if we go one step lower in the Fib ladder range. Now here I have at least some confidence that this area can hold, especially here the area around the wave 4 low. Wave 2 corrections tend to come back to a previous wave 4 low, and that would be in this region. It's not always exactly the low, but it's sort of towards the end of the wave 4. So we're talking here about, you know, round about the 4 cent level down to 3.6. I would pay particular attention to. This is pretty much also where the 50% Fib level is hanging around. Yeah. So at the moment I can only count 3 waves down in this C wave. I currently would assume that this move down finished off 3 waves. I can count a wave 1, I can count a wave 2, can count a wave 3. We reached a 1.618 extension of the wave 1 here in the wave 3, and it would be in line with Bitcoin Ethereum. So at the moment, I do carefully assume here that the wave 3 is done and that we're now moving up in the wave 4. Just to show you here, we have a 1, 2 here. Then I would say within this 3rd wave, we had all of this as a 3rd to here. Then we had a small 4th and a 5th. So it's not entirely clear, but at the moment, also because we reached the extension levels, I assume wave 3 is done. It would also be pretty much in line with Bitcoin Ethereum, and we probably go up in a 4th wave now. Now, what is target for the 4th? Well, you normally look at Fibs and you say, we talk about the area between the 23.6 and the 50% Fib level with an ideal target, the 38.2. And I think really this would be a key resistance for wave 4 here. First of all, it should not go above the 5 cent level. If it's a wave 4, it should not go above the 50% retracement. And in addition to that, this is also where we had a previous wave high. And there is a good chance we find resistance if we break through this channel to the upside. If we don't, then we just continue in the bear flag. We've now touched basically the 4.6 cent level, the minimum retracement for a wave 4. And from here we can move down in a 5th wave at some point. So I think one more low certainly is what I still expect, and would like to see that we get a 5-wave move down in this C wave. Anything else we can look at here? I mean, what we could be doing as well, we can try if we see if we get any clues, if we add this kind of channel connecting 1 to 3 and connecting 2 and a possible 4, so we can use this to estimate the end of the 4th wave. Let's see if it will react to this channel. We are nearly there anyway. That would be quite helpful. And then, yeah, I think that's sort of what we need to look at. And until then, we are waiting for the trend to reverse. First signal really that the trend would be reversing to the upside would be a break above the 50% Fib level at 5 cents, and then a break into the wave 1 low would be even better. That's at around 5.13 cents, because then it can't be an impulse anymore, and then it basically invalidates this 5-wave move down in wave C. But yeah, these are the key support levels, so it will be interesting. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.